How to fix Samsung A16 fast charging not working. So let's start the video. First of all, restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold volume down button and power button at the same time. And then click on restart. After restart the device, then enable your fast charging mode, open settings and click on battery. After clicking on battery, then scroll down and here you can see the option charging settings. Now click on it and here you can see the option fast charging. Now turn this fast charging button on. After turning this button on, your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix your problem, then check your software update. Scroll down and open device care and then click on software update, and here you can check your software update. If it doesn't update your latest software, then update it to latest software. After that your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching this video.